Ndereti ya kuhagura amemba atandatu aria ni aikariri ite ya kamiti-ini itiganiite mbunge-ini ya kaunti ya Murang'a itengemanirio ni mutongoria wa aria aingi mbunge-ini no Eric Kamande.
The finance committee should have brought a report on this house explaining on how the 22 million lost or went.
Kureririkana atandatu aya makoretwo makiregana na uria kigina gia thirikari ya kaunti ya Murang'a kihuthagirwo.
You are not restricted to giving.
Njikanirio ya miario yeyumiria gatagati ka ajumbe aria mekunyitaga mbaru ndereti ino na aria mekureganaga nayo.
Stand as the chairperson in your report. Mr. Speaker, protect.
Mbunge-ini ya kaunti ya Murang'a gukoretwo na miahu iri, mwahu umwe uria unyitaga mbaru gavana Mwangi wa iria na mwahu uria ureganaga na utongoria wake.
The meeting of the house business never took place, but that cannot hold hostage the business of the week as it had already been ratified last week.
We have read the rules, Mr. Speaker, and we know that what we are doing is wrong, and we cannot have a president set that precedent since it was set in the morning. We cannot repeat the mistake, Mr. Speaker.
If money has been misappropriated, I'm going to point out. And that is the sole reason I've been removed from finance committee. Don't forget, I'm still a member of this assembly.
Ikinya ria kuhagura amemba aya riahota kurehe njatukano makiria mbunge-ini ino ya Murang'a. Riu kiria giatigara ni muingi kumenya ni amathurwo na uteithio uria mekurehera muingi ucio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuuma nja wa mbunge ya kaunti ya Murang'a, ritwa riakwa ni Victor Kinuthia.